Unraveling, have a rest, mastering this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, have a rest. Understanding this phrase is not just about its dictionary meaning. It's about how it's used in everyday conversation, its nuances, and the contexts where it's appropriate. So, let's get started and master this phrase together. Have a rest is a phrase that means taking a break or resting from any activity that is tiring or strenuous. It's similar to saying, take a break, but it often implies a more relaxing or peaceful type of break. For instance, when you've been working hard and someone says, you should have a rest, they're suggesting that you take some time to relax and recover your energy. In daily conversation, in everyday speech, have a rest can be used in various scenarios. After physical activity, after playing sports or doing physical labor, someone might say, let's have a rest. During work or study, when you've been focusing for a long time, you might hear, you've been at it for hours. Have a rest. In formal situations, in more formal or polite contexts, this phrase can show concern or care. In healthcare, a doctor might advise, make sure you have a rest after the surgery. In the workplace, a supervisor could suggest, you've been working so hard lately. Please, have a rest. In literature and media, you might come across this phrase in books, movies, or TV shows, often used to depict a character needing relaxation or a break from a stressful situation. While have a rest is common, there are variations you might hear. Take a break, more casual, often used in American English. Rest up implies resting to regain strength or health. Relax, more general, not necessarily implying sleep or inactivity. While we're avoiding phonetic transcriptions, here are a few tips. The phrase is usually said at a moderate pace, with a slight emphasis on rest. In American English, the R in rest is more pronounced. In British English, the A in have is often softer. And that's a wrap on have a rest. Remember, understanding a phrase like this is about more than its literal meaning. It's about how it fits into everyday language and various contexts. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using and understanding have a rest. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.